Welcome back to Complete Comfort and Lasting Wellness, the channel where healing is not only about the body, but also about the heart, the mind, and the soul. Here, we believe that every relationship can be transformed, that every love story can be rewritten with hope, and that respect can be revived no matter how broken things may seem. Today, we're re-talking about something that so many couples struggle with: how to make a man respect you again. Because when respect fades, love loses its light. And without respect, even the most passionate relationships turn cold, distant, and painful. But here's the truth: respect can be rebuilt. And not through games, manipulation, or endless fights. Instead, it can be restored with dignity, compassion, and timeless wisdom found not only in modern psychology, but also in spiritual guidance that has stood the test of time. In Islam, one of the most beautiful sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was, "The best of you are those who are best to their families." This teaching is not just for Muslims, it's a universal principle. Imagine if every partner treated their spouse with honor, kindness, and love. Imagine the beauty of homes filled with gentleness instead of bitterness. So let us dive deep into how you can rebuild respect in your relationship and transform your connection into something truly unbreakable. Part 1. Understanding respect in love. Respect is more than just politeness. It's more than saying please and thank you. Real respect is about valuing someone's soul, honoring their feelings, and recognizing their worth. When a man respects you, he doesn't just listen, he truly hears you. He doesn't just stay, he chooses you every single day. Respect is the foundation on which love grows. Without it, even attraction and passion will eventually fade. Islamic wisdom reminds us that love without respect is incomplete. The Quran describes marriage as a bond of tranquility, love, and mercy. Respect is the heart of that mercy. It's what makes a home peaceful, not just a house with walls. Part 2. Why respect gets lost. Respect doesn't usually disappear overnight. It fades slowly, like a flame that weakens when it's not given enough air. Here are some reasons why respect might be lost in a relationship. Neglect. When couples stop investing time, attention, and care in each other. Poor communication. When conversations become arguments and listening turns into waiting to reply. Unresolved pain. Past wounds that were never healed often resurface as disrespect. Loss of self-respect. Sometimes, when you stop valuing yourself, your partner unconsciously follows. It's important to remember, when respect is gone, it's not always the end. It's often a wake-up call, a chance to rebuild something stronger. Part 3. Rebuilding respect step by step. 1. Reclaim your self-respect before you can make anyone respect you. You must respect yourself first. Stand tall in your values. Never beg for love. Instead, show your partner through your actions that you honor yourself. Islam teaches us that every human being carries dignity. The Quran says, "We have honored the children of Adam." That means you already carry a crown of worth. Don't let anyone take it off. 2. Communicate with kindness and strength. Respect doesn't come from shouting, threatening, or controlling. It comes from calm but firm communication. Look him in the eye, speak with clarity, and express what you need without fear. The Quran encourages us. Speak to people kindly. This doesn't mean you should accept mistreatment. It means even when setting boundaries, your tone and words should reflect grace. 3. Lead by example. If you want respect, give it first. Respect creates respect. When you treat your partner with dignity even in disagreement, you invite him to rise to that same standard. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, never insulted, mocked, or belittled his family. His leadership was through love, not domination. And that's why he remains the ultimate example of a respected man. 4. Set healthy boundaries. Boundaries are not walls, they are doors that teach others how to treat you. Without boundaries, love becomes chaos. With them, love becomes safe. If your partner disrespects you, calmly and firmly state, "This is not acceptable. I deserve to be spoken to with kindness." Boundaries protect your heart without building distance. 5. Reconnect spiritually and emotionally. Sometimes respect is lost because the soul of the relationship is dry. Refill it with small rituals. Pray together. Meditate, show gratitude, or even write notes of appreciation. Even if your partner isn't spiritual, sharing mindful practices can bring you closer. Gratitude, forgiveness, and compassion heal wounds that logic alone cannot fix. Part 4. The romance of respect, and romance go hand in hand. Without respect, romance feels shallow. But when respect is present, romance blossoms naturally. Think of respect as the soil and love as the flower. The richer the soil, the brighter the bloom. Islamic wisdom frames marriage as a sacred bond where respect is not optional but essential. When you treat each other with dignity, even the smallest gestures, a smile, a soft word, a gentle touch, become powerful acts of love. Part 5. Transforming, not controlling. Rebuilding respect is not about controlling your partner or forcing change. It's about transformation, about creating a space where love and honor grow together. True respect is born when both partners feel valued, when both are seen, heard, and cherished. Islam's guidance reminds us, a marriage is not me versus you, it is us together, under God's mercy. Conclusion: if you've felt disrespected, don't lose hope. This isn't the end, it's an invitation to rise, to rebuild, and to reclaim the love you deserve. Respect is not lost forever. It can be revived when you respect yourself, when you set boundaries with grace, and when you communicate with compassion. Remember this: the most respected people are those who honor themselves first and who extend respect to others with dignity. And the most beautiful love is built not on control, but on kindness, mercy, and honor. So, begin today. Choose respect. Choose dignity. it, and watch how your relationship transforms, not just into something better, but into something truly unbreakable. Thank you for watching Complete Comfort and Lasting Wellness. If this touched your heart, give it a like, share it with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe for more love, wisdom, and timeless guidance.